Lately, I've been losing a lot of money from my YouTube ads revenue without having a clue of where it's coming from. See, this particular information or this particular update that I'm about to share with us right now, if you're monetized, please and please pay attention. Any niche at all you are, this particular thing can actually work against you. And if you are not monetized, obviously you will get monetized sooner. That is my prayer for you out there. So you have to make sure you pay attention also, so that when you get monetized, you will start experiencing this particular thing. We all know that YouTube actually dropped updates about how ads will be placed on our videos, right? This particular thing is really going to cause a lot of low revenue. I keep seeing posts on how people have been losing their revenue, or on how the revenue have been dropping, till I recently started experiencing it. And as God may have it, I just discovered what I've been doing wrong and I'm working towards it. So that is why I said, let me come up here to share this particular information with us, because I don't know who might be experiencing the same thing. Okay, you all remember that I made a post here 2 days ago talking about how a shorter video on my channel was actually making me money more than a long form content. I was feeling, oh, is YouTube update, you cannot know YouTube finish, like a lot of thinking was on my head. But after I made that video, I went through the comment section. Like, the comments of some people actually made me to go deeper to make my research to know why is this thing so, because this is not my first time and it's not like I am new to monetization. I've had longer videos that fetch me a lot of money. So why is this thing happening? Then I went ahead to make my research, and after making my research, I discovered something. See, if you are a YouTuber, you do sit down talk video. If I'm not just only sit down talk video, because from that website that I checked, whether you do vlogging, storytelling, whatever niche at all you are in, you need to make sure you pay attention to this particular thing. So, but for my own case, what actually happened is that if you all check that particular video, if you watch that video, you all will notice something. That video, there was no break. Like, that video was more like fast video. I was talking so fast, like even me sef, when I was watching it, I was like, is this me? Like, I was talking really fast, because you know one thing about this YouTube street, when you talk slowly, you will still see people in your comment section. I think somebody dropped a comment one time that data is expensive now, try to talk fast. That sounds crazy. So I said, okay, in some of my video I won't just relax, I'll be talking blah, 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 blah. So that was what I did in that video, but I didn't really do that because of that comment anyways. So that video I really talked fast, like it was so fast. And you all know that this new YouTube monetization update, I mean their ad placement, is that you're going to turn on that automatic ads stuff. Now after turning it on, you can now by yourself pick a particular place where you need to place ads in order for YouTube to pay you more. Now for you to be able to do that, you need to have some breakpoints in that video for you to be able to place an ad. If you just go ahead and you're talking straight without any breakpoints, there was no part that you paused, that is for you to be able to enter the next point of what you're talking about, you won't be able to place ads. Am I even making sense? Like, what I'm trying to explain is that for that particular video, there was no break point. I was just talking all through. So that was why I was not able to fix in mid ads. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys example on my YouTube Studio desktop version. I'll be showing you guys two different examples for you to be able to understand what I'm talking about, and I'll also show you one particular video that YouTube by itself did the placement, so that you will know what you are doing wrong and what you are doing right. So let's go over to my YouTube Studio desktop version now, so that I can be able to show you guys this particular thing. So guys, this is the interface of my YouTube Studio. You all know, if you watched on my previous video, you will know the particular video that I talked about, and this is the video here. So let's go over and click on this video for me to show you this particular thing. And you know, if you're monetized, for you to be able to access this ad placement on your video, just follow this same procedure. Click on the title of that video twice and it will bring you here. Then at the left hand side of the screen, you will see this end sign, this monetization sign. So now let's go ahead and click on it. So now when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this place where you see your monetization for you to either turn it on or turn it off. Then you see this manage ad slots. So what I'm going to be showing you guys now is the reason why there was no much ads placed on the video. Don't worry, we're getting there. So let me go ahead and click on this manage ad slots. Now this is what we have here. Looking at the screen, you can see that it's only one ad slot that was placed on this video, which was done directly by YouTube. And if you also check out very well, you will see that it was placed only at the beginning. That is, ads will only show at the beginning of this video. Now, I was trying my best to place ads on other places, but it was not going through. I did everything possible, unlike my other videos that I can just come up here, try to fix like 2 to 3 more ads and it will appear. Even some videos that are as low as 11 minutes, I also do it and it appear. But this video is more than 15 minutes, but I wasn't able to fix ads anywhere. I've tried it. I tried this particular thing for complete 4 days, but it was not working. So it was after making this my research that I now came to conclusion. I said, okay, this is what was causing it. So what actually caused it, like as I said earlier on, was there was no break point in this video. I was just talking straight. There was no part that I paused, no part that I relaxed, because this new YouTube update is that according to YouTube, they say that there've been a lot of complaints about ads disrupting a particular video. That is, you might be watching a particular video and all of a sudden ads will just pop up, and sometimes it pop up as the most important part of the video. So that is why YouTube actually dropped this recent update, which will kick up I think May 12th this year, 2025. So this is the reason why this particular video fetched me low revenue, because there was no place for me to put other ads. So no matter anything I do here, it won't work, because I even tried it last night before filming this particular video. It didn't work. So this is one. Now let me go back. So this is how this video will remain, and any revenue I get from this video, that is what I'll get. Because one thing about my channel, the longer video I make, they make me money most times, except if maybe the CPM is low. But this video, the CPM is high. That is to tell you that the fault and the problem actually came from me, not the CPM. The CPM is very, very high. So now let's go back to this particular video that I dropped yesterday or 2 days ago. That is the video I made talking about this particular issue. This is the video here, because after discovering what the mistake was while doing this particular video, if you all notice, there were some part that I personally took break. So now let's go ahead and click on the monetization aspect of this video. For this video, I didn't even do anything. God bear me witness. Like, I did not come here to fix any ad slot by myself. YouTube picked out the breakpoints and fixed their ads. And if you notice, this video is just only 9 minutes, but the money this video has fetched me for just only 600 views is mind-blowing. So now let's go ahead and click on this manage ad slots. Have you seen what YouTube did? Like, when I saw it, I was shouting. I didn't do this by myself. So when I traced all these places that they placed these ads, I discovered that from the main video, there were parts that I was somehow quiet, or there were parts that I paused. That was why they were able to fix all these ads, so that when a person is watching the video, it will not be like maybe I'm saying something straight and ads will just pop up. No, it can be like maybe when I'm done with one particular thing, then I'm about to enter the next point, then I decided to take a break small. That's how YouTube was able to fix all these ads. So if you're out there, you do a YouTube growth tips, or let me say you do a sit down talk video, whether you're preaching and you're monetized, you need to learn this particular thing. Now don't always talk straight all through the video. Try to have some breakpoints so that YouTube can be able to fix in ads. So this is the reason why that my video did not make me high revenue. So it's not really YouTube fault. Yes, I know that sometimes it can be their fault, because you sometimes you will have high CPM and you just have low RPM. But for my case, and for that video that I did 2 days ago, and for those of you that were really concerned in the comment section, this is the reason. Okay, this is the reason. And also, I also noticed, now let me show you guys another thing again that I also find out from this last video that I dropped yesterday night. This video, I purposely took my time and I decided to take some break in the video, but it's like the break that I took was not working. Like, I didn't really do it well. I only did it for like two parts of the video. Now look at what it says. I was only able to fix this second one, and if you check, I fixed it around 3 minutes 5 seconds of the video. If you go back to the video, it was a part that I paused to talk the next point. That was how I was able to create this break point. But this other one, if you check it out, is not allowed. Why? Is because that particular point, there was no break point at all at all. Am I even making sense? I hope you all understand what I'm trying to say, please. So let me just go ahead and get rid of it because it's useless here. Okay, continue. And that is all. So for this particular video now, it's only 2 ads that I have there. I'm not allowed to place more than that too, because there was no break point in the video at all at all. Even this one now that I'm shooting, I'm still trying to create some break points. So all right guys, I think that will be all I need to show you here. So YouTube keeps updating us. If you're noticing low revenue sometimes, don't just feel that it's normal. That's how YouTube is. You need to go ahead and make your research. And before I forget, a particular YouTuber have also told me this thing. Glory C, thank you for that beautiful information. She was one that told me on WhatsApp that why not check out for this that, and when I check it, lo and behold, that was the same issue. So if your revenue is decreasing, try to check out if maybe this is the issue that you're facing. Go to this your YouTube studio, that end sign, try to place in ads and check out if it will work. And maybe if you're trying to fix the ads and it's showing that red sign, that danger sign, go ahead and watch the main video. Take your barrel or paper, or try to study the path that there was breakpoint, then go ahead and fix ads immediately. It's going to work. Yes, it's going to work out. That was what I did, and I was able to get this. Hopefully, I just hope and pray that this particular video, I also get some breakpoints, which is going to enable me to be able to put ads. So if you watched to this extent, thank you for watching, and see you all in my next video. If you have any question, or maybe you're facing low revenue, you can just drop it in the comment section. Let's know why yours is happening like that, or just have any question at all. Maybe a place where you're confused, because I'm really glad I made that previous video. I got a lot of answer from the comment section. I love you all so much. Those answers are really beautiful, and those encouragements, they were really beautiful, and I'm glad. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not like this video, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to be a part of my beautiful family, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.